Have you ever wondered how nature inspires some of the most groundbreaking architectural designs? From termite mounds influencing sustainable cooling systems to lotus leaves inspiring self-cleaning surfaces, biomimicry is revolutionizing the way we design buildings and spaces. Curious about how these nature-inspired marvels are reshaping architecture around the world? Join us as we explore 9 incredible examples of biomimicry in architecture and the fascinating ways they mimic the genius of nature. The Eastgate Center, termite mounds and passive cooling. The Eastgate Center termite mounds and passive cooling. In the bustling city of Harare, Zimbabwe, the Eastgate Center exemplifies nature-inspired architecture through its termite mound-based design. Architect Mick Pierce drew inspiration from these structures' remarkable temperature regulation abilities to create a revolutionary passive cooling system. The building employs concrete and brick walls that absorb daytime heat and release it at night. Its ventilation network mirrors termite mounds. Cool air enters through low-level vents while warm air exits via high-level openings. This eliminates traditional air conditioning needs, reducing energy usage by 90% compared to similar structures. The interior features strategic open spaces and atriums that ensure optimal airflow distribution, creating comfortable conditions while minimizing energy costs. This practical application of biomimicry demonstrates how nature's solutions can address modern architectural challenges. The Eastgate Center stands as a model of sustainable design, proving that by studying and adapting natural systems, we can create buildings that both serve human needs and respect environmental constraints. Its success showcases how engineering innovation and ecological inspiration can combine to produce architecture that harmonizes with our planet while delivering practical benefits. The Lotus Temple self-cleaning facades. The Lotus Temple in New Delhi, India stands as both an architectural masterpiece and a triumph of biomimicry, drawing inspiration from the lotus flower. Designed by Iranian architect Fariborz Sabah, the temple features 27 marble-clad petals arranged in a lotus-like formation. Its innovative design incorporates the lotus leaf's natural self-cleaning properties through a hydrophobic coating on the marble surfaces. This coating mimics lotus leaves' microscopic structure, causing rainwater to bead and roll off while carrying away dirt and pollutants. This self-cleaning mechanism maintains the temple's pristine appearance despite New Delhi's dusty environment. The petals arrangement creates a striking visual effect while serving a practical purpose. The temple's interior matches its exterior splendor, housing a central hall that accommodates 2,500 people. Strategic skylights positioned at the petal tips flood the space with natural light, minimizing artificial lighting needs. The design also maximizes natural ventilation, reducing dependence on mechanical cooling systems. By incorporating the lotus flower's natural characteristics, the temple achieves a perfect blend of form and function. This harmonious integration of biological principles into architectural design showcases how biomimicry can create buildings that are both visually stunning and environmentally conscious, setting a precedent for future architectural innovations. The Eden Project Biosphere Domes inspired by soap bubbles. The Eden Project in Cornwall, England showcases architectural biomimicry through its massive biosphere domes inspired by soap bubble geometry. Architect Nicholas Grimshaw's design features hexagonal and pentagonal panels forming geodesic structures that house diverse ecosystems from rainforests to Mediterranean gardens. The domes utilize a steel framework covered with inflated ethylene tetrafluoroethylene panels, creating a lightweight yet robust structure that mirrors soap bubbles' efficiency. These translucent panels maximize natural light penetration while minimizing material usage, providing ideal conditions for plant growth and structural integrity. The project emphasizes sustainability through integrated rainwater harvesting and natural ventilation systems. Its innovative construction method reduces carbon impact during both construction and operation, demonstrating how nature-inspired design can enhance large-scale architectural sustainability. By adopting nature's efficient principles, the Eden Project serves as both an architectural achievement and an educational center. It exemplifies how biomimicry can create spaces that harmonize environmental stewardship with functional design, offering visitors a tangible connection between architectural innovation and natural systems, while promoting environmental awareness through its unique structural approach. Beijing National Stadium, Bird's Nest Structure. The Beijing National Stadium, nicknamed the Bird's Nest, exemplifies biomimetic architecture through its nature-inspired design. Created by Herzog and de Meuron with Ai Weiwei for the 2008 Olympics, the structure mimics a bird's nest's woven pattern, combining aesthetic appeal with practical functionality. The stadium's distinctive steel beam lattice forms an outer shell that effectively distributes weight and provides resistance against environmental forces. The interwoven design allows natural ventilation and lighting through strategic gaps, reducing reliance on artificial systems. This approach demonstrates how natural patterns can enhance structural efficiency. The interior features optimized seating arrangements for visibility and acoustics, while the roof incorporates sustainable water management systems for irrigation and cooling. These elements showcase how biomimicry can improve both user experience and environmental performance in large-scale venues. This architectural icon has attracted millions of visitors worldwide, demonstrating how nature-inspired design can create structures that are both visually impressive and highly functional. The Bird's Nest stands as a testament to biomimicry's potential in modern architecture, successfully merging innovative engineering with natural design principles. The Gherkin. Efficiency inspired by sea sponges. The Gherkin in London's financial district exemplifies biomimicry through its sea sponge-inspired design. Architect Norman Foster's 41-story skyscraper mirrors marine organisms' efficient nutrient flow systems, creating a structure that balances sustainability with visual appeal. The building's distinctive curved shape reduces wind resistance and structural stress. Its double-glazed facade creates an insulating air layer for temperature control while maximizing natural light penetration. These features contribute to 50% lower energy consumption compared to conventional skyscrapers. The design incorporates spiral light wells that enable natural ventilation and daylight distribution throughout the interior. This system minimizes reliance on artificial cooling, heating, and lighting, while creating bright, comfortable workspaces. The building effectively breathes by adapting to environmental conditions. The Gherkin represents a milestone in sustainable urban architecture, demonstrating how nature-inspired design can enhance both functionality and environmental performance. The Aqua Tower. Nature-inspired fluid dynamics. The Aqua Tower in Chicago, designed by Jean Gang, embodies biomimicry through its water-inspired undulating form and limestone outcropping patterns from the Great Lakes. The building's distinctive wavy balconies create both visual impact and practical benefits. These curved balconies serve multiple functions, reducing wind forces around the structure while enhancing stability and comfort for occupants. The innovative design balances aesthetic appeal with environmental performance, reflecting the efficiency found in natural formations. The tower incorporates sustainable features including rainwater collection and energy-efficient lighting systems. Its undulating balconies provide natural shading in summer while allowing winter sunlight penetration, optimizing energy usage. The building's LEED certification validates its environmental commitment. This architectural achievement demonstrates how biomimicry can successfully integrate natural principles into urban environments. The Aqua Tower's fluid design and sustainable features establish it as a landmark of eco-conscious architecture, showing how nature's influence can create buildings that are both beautiful and functional within city landscapes. The Water Cube. Bubble-inspired efficiency. The Beijing National Aquatic Center, known as the Water Cube, showcases biomimicry through its soap bubble-inspired design. Created by PTW architects with Arup and China State Construction Engineering Corporation for the 2008 Olympics, the structure features thousands of ETFE panels arranged in bubble-like patterns. This geometric design optimizes structural integrity while minimizing material use. The lightweight, translucent ETFE panels enhance energy efficiency during construction and operation. The bubble pattern provides both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. The facility utilizes solar energy for pool heating and climate control. Its translucent panels maximize natural lighting while providing thermal insulation, maintaining warmth in winter and coolness in summer. These features reduce energy consumption by 30% compared to conventional aquatic centers. The Water Cube stands as an iconic example of biomimetic architecture, demonstrating how natural geometric principles can create sustainable, functional, and visually striking buildings. Its design proves that nature's patterns can inspire modern structures that balance environmental responsibility with practical needs. The California Academy of Sciences, a living roof. The California Academy of Sciences in San Francisco's Golden Gate Park features a biomimetic living roof that mirrors the local landscape. Architect Renzo Piano's design incorporates 1.7 million native plants covering undulating contours that echo California's hills. The living roof serves multiple functions, providing insulation, managing rainwater runoff, and supporting biodiversity. Its natural form helps regulate interior temperatures and reduces urban heat island effects. The design demonstrates how nature-inspired architecture can enhance building performance. The structure utilizes natural ventilation through automated louvers and maximizes daylight via strategic skylights, minimizing energy usage. These sustainable features have earned the building LEED Platinum certification, establishing it as one of the world's most environmentally conscious museums. This innovative design exemplifies biomimicry's potential to create buildings that integrate seamlessly with their environment. The Academy stands as a testament to how architectural innovation can advance sustainability while maintaining harmony with natural surroundings. The Milwaukee Art Museum, Wing-Inspired Elegance. The Milwaukee Art Museum's Quadracci Pavilion, by Santiago Calatrava, exemplifies biomimicry through its bird-inspired design. The structure's defining feature, the Berk Brise Soleil, consists of 72 adjustable steel fins that move like wings, providing dynamic solar control. The movable sunscreen adapts to changing sunlight, optimizing shade and temperature regulation throughout the day. This functional element enhances both aesthetic appeal and environmental performance, demonstrating nature-inspired engineering at work. The pavilion's glass-walled atrium creates seamless connections between interior and exterior spaces, flooding galleries with natural light. The transparent design enables visitors to maintain visual connection with Lake Michigan and the surrounding landscape. This architectural achievement transcends traditional museum design, becoming an artistic statement itself. The wing-inspired structure showcases biomimicry's potential to create buildings that are both visually striking and environmentally responsive, while fostering meaningful connections between art, architecture, and nature. And there you have it, 10 breathtaking examples of biomimicry in architecture that prove how nature's genius can shape our built environment. From bird-inspired wings to bubble-like structures, these designs show that innovation and sustainability can go hand in hand. If you enjoyed this journey through the wonders of biomimicry, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to DwellScape. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep exploring the world's architectural marvels with us.